Welcome to Bluebird Home and DIY. I'm Marie, and today we are doing more dough bowl styling ideas, plus one DIY. First, we're going to start with this larger dough bowl that I have, and I cannot remember where I got this eucalyptus. I got it at the end of the season last year, so I'm not quite sure which store I picked it up at, but we're just going to drape it along the side there, and then on top of that, we're going to add one of these tea towels in kind of a farmhouse style stripe. And then to that, I'm going to add in my rolling pin. And then I have a small cutting board that I'm going to put right next to that. And then I have a spurtle. And then I'm just going to take that and play around with it just a little bit. And then you just have it rearranged the way you want it there. That's very simple. Here's another one that's real simple. Instead of using the wooden pieces, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put some cookbooks in here instead. So I'm just going to go ahead and layer these cookbooks in here, and that makes a nice design idea also. Okay, now we're going to take two of my favorite pieces that I have and add them to this dough bowl. One is this sugar mold that has 3 holes in it. I have it filled with some pinto beans to hold some candles in it. And then I'm just going to layer it with my pipberry garland. I'm just going to kind of tuck that in there and kind of get it arranged correctly. And then to that, we're just going to add in 3 candlesticks. And then this makes another nice, very simple design. Okay, we're switching gears here, and then I have this very small dough bowl, and I think I got this clearanced at Hobby Lobby. Not clearanced, but on sale at Hobby Lobby last year. I think it was from, I'm not sure if it was fall or spring, but anyways, I'm going to add in these gold leaf walnuts. So we're going to do a little DIY real quick here. If you don't want to watch the DIY, you can go ahead and jump ahead to the next design or to see how this one looks. This is some gold leaf adhesive that I bought off of Amazon, and I'm going to show you what it looks like here. It has a blue tint to it, and it's a liquid. You're going to paint that all over the walnuts, and you paint these on, and then you let it set about 30 minutes till it gets tacky. And what will happen is the blue will disappear. That's how you'll know that it's ready to put the gold leaf on. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to take the gold leaf and we're going to put this on in sheets. So you're going to try to cover this as much as you can with with a sheet. You're going to end up with some bald spots. So you're going to end up taking it and some of the smaller pieces that you brush off, you can just kind of grab those and tack those back on to the sticky parts. And then you're just going to take a brush and kind of brush it in all different directions to get the excess gold leaf off. after those are dry or they're done, you're going to take some Mod Podge. I have glossy Mod Podge, and I am doing one side at a time, and I'm sealing it with the Mod Podge. So I'm doing one side of the walnut, and I'm going to let those all dry about a half an hour just to be on the safe side, and then I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. And now you see I'm just going to add these into this bowl, and I think that makes a nice, interesting addition to a small dough bowl. Just another design idea for you there. All right, we're back to my large dough bowl. So I just want to tell you, I will have links for some of these items linked below. I don't have links for everything. Some things I've had a long time, but I do have some Amazon links for you that I can connect you with if you're interested. So I have these bouquets. I've had these a long time. I've had these several years. I don't remember where I got them, but you can do this. You can go get some little bouquets and put these in here. And that makes a nice design. I think it makes a nice design for the upcoming spring season. I love blue, so I'm really liking this one here myself. And then I'm just going to put a little tea towel in the back to cover up the stems. And there you have it. There's another simple style for you there. And lastly, we're just going to take some different spheres that I have. I have some that are like wicker. I have some that are greenery. I have one that's like a rope design, and some that are like, I don't know if they're like rattan or like, I'm thinking rattan, I don't know. Jute. We're going to just take these and we're just going to mix these in. We're just going to kind of mix them up so that they're separated. We don't have alike ones that are similar to each other or near each other. We're just going to go ahead and place these in here. And I think this also makes a nice style. I'm just going to add a couple more in on the right there. Mix them around a little bit. Just going to grab a couple more of those and put those in here just to add to that right side. And there you go. That is so simple, and it looks nice. And it took like, I don't know how long, 1 minute. Thank you so much for watching. Here's a couple more videos for you in case you're interested. If you are interested in seeing more videos from me, you can subscribe to my channel right there on the right. Thank you so much for watching once again, and I will see you in the next video.